Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga for abs. This is a great practice to strengthen your abdominals. Let's get started on our backs. Oh, we're staying on Quadra Island right now at this tiny house, so we thought we'd film a video in front of it. Okay, you're going to start lying on your back. Okay, in this position, you're going to take a breath in, exhale, and you're going to pull your rib cage down. That's going to help to stabilize your abs. And your goal here is to keep your hips steady. So you're not going to let them rock from side to side. You're going to slide your right heel in, open it out to the side without your right hip tipping, and then bring your right leg down and around. So slide your right leg in, open your right leg out to the side. Try not to let your hips tip, and down and around. Keep your rib cage knit down, out to the side. Keep breathing. And one more like this. And then we're going to go the opposite way, out to the side, in and down. So we're trying to keep our hips as still as possible by keeping our core stable. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. First, the knee comes up. It opens to the side, keeping our hips as still as possible. So our core is keeping our core stabilized, keeping the hips as still as possible. And then we'll do it the opposite way. So you draw your leg up to the side, in and down, keeping those hips as quiet and still as possible. Your core is stabilizing here. And your hip is getting some mobility work as well. Good. So now you're going to slide your right leg in, take your arms out to the side, fold your right knee in, and take your right leg straight up. Keep your ribs pulling down. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to circle your leg. And again, you're going to keep your hips as quiet as possible. Inhale. Exhale, circle. 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 And other way. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. And one more. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Okay, fold your knee. Lower it down. Extend your leg out. Feel your abs working. Feel your hip release. Slide your left leg in now. Keep your ribs dropping down. Fold your left knee in. Extend your left leg out. Also great hamstring mobility. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Keep your hips still. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. I think one more makes it 5. Inhale. Exhale, circle. We'll go the other way. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle away from your body and in. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale, circle. Inhale. Exhale and circle. Good job. Fold your knee in, lower your leg down and slide it out. You're going to inhale, take your arms overhead, bend your elbows, and you're going to bring them into your peripheral vision. Again, pull your rib cage down, pull your shoulder blades up off the ground. You're going to breathe into your side ribs and back here. And exhale, draw your navel into your spine. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, side ribs back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, roll down. Exhale, from the rib cage, you're going to draw the ribs down to pull your shoulder blades off the ground. You're going to pull the right rib over towards the left hip. Stay here. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. One more. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel to spine. Inhale, roll down. Inhale, you're going to exhale. Draw the ribs down again. Curl up. Left rib goes over to right hip. Inhale to side ribs. Exhale, draw the navel down. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale, navel down. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale, navel down. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale, navel down. One more. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale, navel down. Come back to the center, shoulders off the ground. Inhale, roll down. We're going to repeat that, just the part with the curls up. Here we go. Big breath in. Exhale, you're going to curl up from the base of the ribs, bringing the shoulders off the ground. Inhale to the side ribs in the back. Exhale, draw the navel down. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel down. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale, navel down. Big breath in. Breathe out. One more. Inhale, roll down. And then we're going to do the side ones. Pull the ribs down. Right rib over to left hip. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Roll back down. And then you're going to take a breath. Last one on the other side. Pull your rib cage down. You're going to take your left rib cage over to your right hip bone. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, side ribs and back. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. Come back to the center and roll down. Very good. From here, you're going to bend your knees, roll to your side, and come up onto all fours. Okay, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. You're going to take your right arm forward or left arm back, lift. You're going to bring opposite elbow to knee. Exhale together. Inhale, reach. Switch sides, left arm, right leg. Hands underneath your shoulders. You're going to push the ground away from you, from your shoulders. Tuck your toes under. Inhale here. Lift your knees up off the ground. Inhale into your side ribs. Exhale, pull your navel up to the spine. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale, navel to spine. Now swish your knees from side to side. Come back to center. Take a little break down on your heels. We're going to repeat that portion. Come back up onto all fours. Right arm forward, left leg back. Elbow to knee. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale, reach. And you're going to switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Hands underneath your shoulders. You're going to push the ground away from you. Curl your toes under. Ears back over your shoulders. Lift your knees off the ground. Breathe into your side ribs. Draw your navel up to your spine. Now swish your knees from side to side. Good job. You're going to come back onto your back. Okay. From here, you're going to have your arms out to your side. Take your knees up. You're going to inhale, lower your knees to one side here. Exhale, use your core, bring it back center. Inhale, slowly lower your knees to the other side. Exhale, use your core, come back to center. Inhale, slowly lower. Exhale, core back to center. Inhale, slowly lower. Exhale, core back to center. Doing great. And one more each side. From here, you're going to reach your right leg out long, and then your left leg. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Take your arms up in the air. We're going to do opposite arms and legs. Exhale, reach. Inhale together. Exhale, reach. Inhale together. Almost there. And hug your knees into your chest. And rock yourself up. Good job, you did it. 10-minute abs. Give yourself a thumbs up. Say my core is strong in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like another 10-minute abs. And thanks so much for joining us. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia on Quadra Island. May your joy be as deep as our ocean. May you be as strong as our mountains, and may you be as rooted as our old growth trees. Much love, many blessings.